A 40-question English quiz covering grammar, vocabulary, and idioms. How many can you get right? What does take it with a grain of salt mean? Answer A. Doubt it. What does in the soup mean? Answer D. Trouble. Find the best synonym of boastful. Answer B. Arrogant. Choose the synonym of alter. Answer C. Change. Opposite of authorize. Answer B. Forbid. What is the opposite of challenging? Answer A. Easy. What is the plural of mouse? Answer D. Mice. What is the plural form of smoke? Answer B. Smoke. Fill in the blank. Answer A. It was John who solved the problem. Complete the sentence. Answer C. The data form several matrices. Pick the past tense of beat. Answer A. Beat. What is the past form of hold? Answer B. Held. Choose the past form of bend. Answer C. Bent. How do you spell this word? Answer B. Positive. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Celebratory. What's the correct spelling? Answer A. Calculation. What is the antonym of benefit? Answer B, harm. Opposite of bright. Answer D, dark. What is the antonym of colloquy? Answer B, monologue. What word is closest to plain? Answer A, simple. Choose the synonym for process. Answer B, procedure. Find the best synonym of radical. Answer B, extreme. What does like herding cats mean? Answer D, chaos. What does as mad as a hatter mean? Answer B, crazy. What does bring home the bacon mean? Answer D, earn money. What is the past form of fall? Answer B, fell. Choose the past form of memorize. Answer A, memorized. How do you form the past of forget? Answer C, forgot. Choose the correct past form of ride. Answer D, road. What is the plural of dictionary? Answer A, dictionaries. Choose the correct plural form of tomato. Answer B, tomatoes. What is the plural of apology? Answer A, apologies. Which form is correct? Answer D, pants. Fill in the blank. Answer B. Seeing the opportunity, she didn't hesitate. Complete the phrase. Answer A. If you had left earlier, you wouldn't be in a hurry now. Choose the correct preposition. Answer D. He worked hard to meet the deadline. Find the correct option. Answer A. Furniture. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Simplify. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Originally. Spot the correct spelling. Answer C. Enormous. Congratulations! You did a great job. Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.